Alright, so I think I found something I like. This right here. Back up. It's 39 inches. It's $100. And then you gotta pick your doors, which are over here. So, how I get this backwards? I do everything backwards. It's all good. Wish I could afford it now, but I can't. Oh, mirrors. Yay, mirrors. That's cool. I like this. Not for the price, though. Oh, yeah. Ooh, what's this? I like this. I'm attracted to this. Yeah, this is actually what I'm looking for. What I would do, I keep the shelf, keep the rack, but put it like another rack down, like right in here, because I have so much clothes and I'm not surprised at the price. So. Even this is cute. Or this is good. I just like the glass. I just need a way to keep my cats out of it, because I got one cat that is just smart, and if I ever wake up dead, if I ever don't wake up, I haven't been killed in my sleep because of him. It's just how my cat is. So I like this. This is white. I have black furniture in my room. I like purple. So we'll see how it continues.